Who is responsible for cleaning after construction? Well, that is not a simple question to answer. There is two type of cleanings that is needed after everything is built, whether you're doing home renovations or you're doing remodeling. The contractor is going to leave the surfaces like this. What you're seeing is the contractor's cleaning. So the contractor also cleans the developer, the whoever is building. This is the type of surface that you're going to expect. There is dust on the surface. You're always going to have dust on the surface because it's not their responsibility to make the property or the commercial or residential property ready for somebody to move in. It's just their responsibility to make it easy for you to walk in without, having to see the dust on everything. So they're going to make it. They're going to give you a light, construction cleaning. That's the construction cleaning. So what you're looking at is the construction cleaning. So this is where their responsibility ends. Now, the owner of the property or the tenant, the person going to occupy the property, is responsible for making it move in ready. So that's the two types of cleaning: the move in ready and the contractors cleaning. So this is not move in ready. As you can see, the carpet has dust on it. All this has to be vacuumed. The baseboards has to be wiped off. All the dust that is used in all the dust that comes up after the construction has to be removed by the person going to occupy the place or the person going to rent the place out. So all this is basically what you see because this is a commercial place, right? So they're in the process of, trying to bring some of their stuff in. This is the bathroom. This is what you can expect. This is also a hand washing area. The level of dust, this is what you can expect, right? So when you, the owner, gets the property, it's your responsibility to clean it and get it ready. So don't expect the contractor to make the place ready for you to move in. Now, your responsibility starts here. After everything is clean, this is how you, the owner, this is how you are supposed to, give the property out to somebody, or to get it ready for to be occupied. This is how it's supposed to look. Everything's clean. All the dust is removed. You can see, the doors, the handles, the baseboards. This is the hand washing area we're looking at. Everything cleaned out. We clean the windows and then we put the paper back on the windows just to keep the privacy, because they're going to start staging, and so it gives them a little privacy. The carpet is totally clean, removed all the dust on it. Bathroom sanitized. The walls are cleaned. The dust are removed on all surfaces. The walls were still in the floor. The doors in here is where you had, so that could be also included in the post-construction cleaning. Now we can see the dressing room area also nicely cleaned, right? All the dust removed, because there is in the dressing room they have paper wallpaper. So we will vacuum that. We are not putting any dust or any water or nothing on that, and then clean the baseboard. Same thing over here. You saw how dusty it is. Sanitize it, clean it out, remove all the dust. So you vacuum it, the floor, also the baseboards, and then we come to the showroom. So this is a commercial setting, right? So it is the owner of the property to get it ready for the tenants to move in commercial settings. Majority of the time it is the responsibility of the person coming in to get the place ready. So this is how it looks after everything has been done, right? So this is what you want to give the tenant that's coming in, right? Or this is how you want to get it ready before you move in. This is moving ready. So this is the two types of post-construction cleaning. So who is responsible for post-construction cleaning? I would say the owner or the person going to occupy the place is responsible for the post-construction cleaning. The contractor is responsible for making it look presentable but not ready for people to move in. If this is helpful, please give me the thumbs up. I love it. Thank you very much.